What's up, y'all? It's Tamara. How are y'all? Welcome back for some more motivation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are not, you know how I feel about you. Thank you so much for your support, your love, just watching my videos, your comments, all that good stuff. So are y'all ready for some motivation? I hope that you are. I'm going to be folding some laundry, cleaning up the kitchen, cleaning up the living room. You know, just if you're in a little funk and you just need to refresh the home just a little bit, you know what I mean? Nothing too big, no deep cleaning or nothing like that. You just need to get it back in order. So that's what I'm doing. So this is some cleaning motivation when you're just tired and know you got to do stuff, you just don't want to do it. So I hope you guys enjoy. So in my previous video, I noticed that I start laundry and I don't see it completely through for you guys, meaning don't see me get it out the wash, put it in the dryer, and then start folding. And I said that in my next video that I would give y'all that. Well, what I meant was I did my voiceover the night before that video went up. So that was on Monday night. That video went up on Tuesday. So I was speaking in the future. So you will not find that in this video, but you will get some folding motivation. Now, for me, this is the hard part. The folding and putting away is the hard part. Like, if someone told me, hey, if you wash all the clothes, I will fold them and put them away. Oh, I will be washing like all the time. I have no problem doing that, but it's this part that drives me crazy. But when I look and see that basket empty, that gives me so much satisfaction to where I'm like, what can I wash next? But I gotta jump on it, otherwise they'll be in this basket all wrinkled and stuff, and then I got mounds to fold. So I'm a work in progress, just a honest moment for y'all. So I just had the TV on, like on HBO or something like that. I don't even know, like just to have the TV on while I was folding. And y'all, this movie that was on was so interesting. I don't even know the name of it to go back. So I didn't catch it like at the beginning. It was just like in the middle. But it had like Tom Cruise in there. It had, dang, what's his name from the Avengers? Hulk, not the Hulk, but I don't know. I tried to explain it to my husband, see if he could help me, but I don't know what that movie was. But yeah, and I can't even ask. I'm like, I was about to ask y'all, like y'all could really see what was on my TV. But anyway, that's what I kept looking at. Like I was really into it. we're in the living room. It doesn't take much to get this room just looking nice again. I know y'all see that in every one of my videos. I usually just fluff the pillows and fix the blankets. And I need to dust because I hadn't dusted in here in a while. So moving along to the kitchen, I have lots of pots and pans to clean. I want to say my husband cooked this day and he uses all the dishes, y'all. So I don't know about y'all, your boyfriends, your husbands, or whatever the case may be. When they cook, do they use a lot of pots and pans? You know, I mean, maybe it's just my husband, like, I don't know. I really appreciate it. I appreciate him cooking, but I'm like, did you really have to use all of this?
Surrender to the sound. Forget the crowd. Harmonies allowed. I want it, you want it. You were holding on, waiting for something that wasn't meant for you. Now that is gone. What you find is a brand new rhythm in your
So now that all that's done, the fun begins, which is cleaning with Mrs. Meyer's fall scents, y'all. You know, just want to get through everything else so that I can use these scents. I just love the way they smell. I have noticed that I'm not a fan completely of how they clean. Sometimes my countertops are a little streaky. Does that happen to y'all, or is it just me? But I still like to use it. It's crazy.
I want it, you want it. Think about you all the time. You got me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue, the snow is gone now from the streets. Oh, so soon we'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it? Hey, you must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's loving. Nothing ever happened. I'm still waiting. I close my eyes.
So here you guys is an overview of all that I cleaned today. So I hope you guys got motivated from this. I really enjoyed making this for you guys. And yeah, I can't wait to talk to you in the comments. Don't forget to thumbs it up. It helps my channel. Also subscribe if you have not. Blessings to you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
I'll have your body up and on. Do you hear the